Yes, I'm a booty guru. Hello mamas and welcome back to my channel again. It is day 2 of trying, it is day 2 of trying the Bratz challenge. Yesterday I had some issues with the eyebrows. And I was thinking of just leaving my natural brows, but I watched a bunch of tutorials last night on how to cover your eyebrows. So we're gonna try it again. First step I saw on one of the videos was to prep the area with rubbing alcohol so that the glue stays better and doesn't get crusty. And now you want to put the glue on your eyebrows against the grain first, and then with the grain. And then I'm gonna use a spoolie to flatten all the hairs out. Okay. So that's layer 1. I'm gonna do the other brow. And then you wanna set it with powder in between the layers of glue because it helps fill the areas that don't have hair. I'm gonna put it on while it's still a little tacky so that the powder really sits in. Now we're gonna do layer 2. Okay, we have our eyebrows prepped. Now I'm gonna cover up the black part with an orange eyeshadow where you can still kind of see the hairs. Oh, I forgot I'm a beauty guru. So I'm using the color Roxy from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. This palette got amazing reviews. Everybody loved it so much. It was definitely on sale at Sephora. Now I'm gonna do the other side. Now we're gonna try and cover it up. We're looking a little crusty, but it's not as bad as yesterday, and I'm okay with that. That's as good as it's gonna get. This brow's really gone. This one's peeking out. She peeking. So the base for our eyes is laid. Now I'm going to draw on my new eyebrows using the Anastasia Dip Brow in medium. I should have just left my natural brows. Moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna use a white eyeliner to sketch out where I'm gonna put the eyes first. So I think that's where we're gonna do the white part of the eye. I'm gonna do the other side. Hopefully they match. Now that we have the eyes laid out, I'm actually gonna start the eyeshadow part. Now I'm gonna start filling in the white of the eye, and then we'll line it and do the pupil part. Okay, wow, that's looking awful. That looks better. Now I'm gonna finish the other eye. Now we're gonna put on the lashes. I feel like this is like one of those looks that looks better from far away, you know? My camera died, so while it was charging, I added some auburn color powder to my brows because her brows in the picture are a little bit more red. And I also had to take off the eyelashes underneath because I forgot I need to put on concealer, and then I'm gonna draw on the eyelashes over that once my face is done. Sorry I keep putting the mirror in front of the camera. I'm not a beauty guru. I know like I look like one, and I keep forgetting to show you guys what I'm actually doing. Butter! I do realize that I was supposed to put on foundation first, but I forgot. And then lastly for the face, just a little bit of highlight. And now I'm gonna go back in and fix the under eyes. I'm gonna redo the eyeliner. It got a little smudge when I did the concealer, and then add those eyelashes back in. Now we're gonna try and put on these lips. I'm going to do the outline with the Kylie Cosmetics Port K. It's a dark purple. And then I'm gonna fill in the middle with a red. We're getting there. Beat. Oh, kiss, kiss. Kiss, kiss me. I'm a Bratz. I'm a Bratz. I'm a Bratz. I want to make the outline a little more black than purple, so we're gonna add a little bit of eyeliner because I don't have black lip liner. Now I'm gonna put this liquid lipstick over everything. I think from far away it looks good. Bratz, 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 Bratz. Okay, so now I'm gonna snatch this wig and then we can put our outfit on. First, I have my hair pinned back in bobby pins flat against my head to make sure that my wig isn't lumpy. Well, this is a look. Oh, she is on. Bratz, Bratz. I literally look like Elvira drag. Bratz. Now I just have to wait for my sister to come home so she can help me with my clothes transfer. Dad, can you make me dinner? I'm hungry. Where's my where's my low carb, sugar free, gluten free protein bars? This is the laundry. Can you do it?
No.
But I don't do laundry because I'm a brat. This is the room. Can you clean it? I don't clean rooms because I'm a brat. Or a mess, I'm a brat. Get messy, you can turn that off.